Our planet is drowning in plastic. And even though we all know it, we don't worry too much about it because there's recycling, at least in Germany. But this is not a given in most places around the world. One of our worst polluters is also one of our worst polluted, Indonesia. With over 6,000 inhabited islands, waste disposal infrastructure is a nightmare, and plastic waste has to be transferred from remote locations to one of few existing recycling facilities. While this is not only costly, it also generates a great amount of carbon emissions. But what if there was a better solution for Indonesia's plastic waste, improving the situation on every single island? Given this difficult task, we wished ourselves back to when we were little, playing with Legos and dreaming of creating our own beautiful world. Being reminded of those times made us think, what if we could use environmentally harmful plastic waste and turn it into something usable? An idea was born, and so was Fish and Bricks. Our mission is to effectively fight Indonesia's waste problems. Therefore, we have developed an innovative building brick comprised of plastic waste. Just like Legos, our bricks can easily be stacked together as they fit perfectly into one another. However, not just simplicity in use, but also simplicity in production was central to our idea. So, manufacturing our bricks in a simple, easy, and cheap way was a determinant factor for us. While focusing on production and material consumption, we went through multiple iterations and development processes. This enables us, a team of engineering students from Karlsruhe, to present to you not just our own plastic brick, but also our own successfully self-developed production process that entirely fits into a single container.
But how exactly does our production process look like? First, plastic waste must be collected, sorted, and cleaned. In the next step, the plastic is chopped in our self-assembled shredder, leaving us with what we like to call it, plastic confetti. Then, the core of our production starts. The shredded plastic waste is melted into our entirely self-developed mold, built in cooperation with Trumpf. The mold itself is being heated to keep the plastics liquid and thus malleable. Once the mold is filled with plastic, heating stops and our liquid brick becomes increasingly rigid. After cooling is done, our brick is ready to use. While the first uses of our bricks will be simple walls, they are very well capable of bigger and more complex projects. As a single brick already handles 7 tons of pressure with ease, it can safely be used to build little sheds and bus shelters. Long-term, even sizable living houses are likely to become reality. Our brick is made for everyone. By choosing smart proportions for our bricks, we ensure simplicity and versatility in use. As length and width are multiples of each other, you can easily build even the sketchiest of sections. Weighted at just 1.9 kilograms, and considering its Lego-like assembly system, carrying our brick and building walls with it is comfortably easy. Located at €1.56 a piece, our bricks might seem expensive at first, but they are not at all. Due to their assembly system, there's no need for any expensive adhesive materials like mortar, and because of their size, you can cover the same space with fewer bricks compared to conventional alternatives. But so much for our brick. The question is, how do we plan to make it work? Once our production plant development is finalized, it will be sent over to Indonesia in a container. The container itself will also serve as the production plant's mobile home, guaranteeing improved regional flexibility and independence. Through our extensive network of local partners, we aim to find a local entrepreneur who adopts our Fish and Brick system. The plastic waste needed for the production of our bricks will be sourced from multiple cleanup projects around the container's current location. At its initial price point, the bricks will then be sold to middle-class households and public institutions.
Within our first year of production in Indonesia, we aim to remove 38 tons of plastic waste, produce a total of 20,000 bricks, and build 26 sheds, all with just one single production plant. Doing this, we combat one of the world's most urgent problems to help fight climate change. We have to act fast and we have to act now, because together we can make this world a better place.